All right, finding the equation of an I. Whew, here we go, finding the equation of y. Okay, well, what we start with is a general equation. Okay, and the general equation we're going to start with here is y equals mx plus b. Okay, now in an equation, the x and y always stay. So when we get to the end, we are going to have a y, we're going to have an x. Okay. What we need to figure out is what the slope is and what the y-intercept is. Now in this one here, it's pretty easy. They say, well, this m is -5 and b is 9, so I just put in -5 and put in 9 and I'm done. Okay, they get a little harder though. Okay, the second one, it says the slope is 1/2 and the y-intercept is 0, -7. Still easy. When you think about it, they told me the slope was 1/2, and then they told me I had this point 0, -7, which was the y-intercept. And how I know a point is a y-intercept is when the x value is 0. If the x value is 0, it's a y-intercept. So I can say, well, hold on. This is where it crosses the y-axis, because the x is 0. So all I have to do is put in +1 here. Now, you got to be a little bit careful, because this formula has a plus sign, right? And you say, all right, well then I just have to put in -7 for b, and I'm done. Well, you clean up the sign a little bit here. Y equals 1/2 x plus minus is -7, and then you're done, okay? So it's very straightforward, but the key to this, the next couple slides, of course, will get a little more difficult, of course, right? The key is use y equals mx plus b, figure out what the slope is, figure out what the y-intercept is, and then we can put them in to get our answer. But our answer, our equation in the answer will always have a y and always have an x in the answer as our variables. See you next slide.